Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Faiz Izwan bin Munajat, and today I will presenting a topic that is becoming increasingly important in the workplace: challenges on talent retention. This presentation is part of the HRM 552 courses on talent acquisition, and I would like to thank Dr. Farian Omar for this opportunity. Let me start by giving you a brief overview of today's presentation. We will begin with an introduction to the issue of talent retention. Then, we will look at the key factors that are contributing to the problem. Next, we will examine the impact that this issue is having on organizations. We will also explore the consequences if the issue is not managed properly. Following that, I will present several practical solutions that can help. Finally, we will end with a conclusion and references that support this discussion. Talent retention refers to an organization's ability to keep skilled and high-performing employees for the long term. This has become increasingly difficult because of the competitive and constantly changing global job market. Employees often leave an organization when they feel that there are limited career growth opportunities, when they experience poor workplace well-being, or when there is lack of flexibility, or when their personal values do not align with the values of the organization. In addition, generational differences and global employment trends are also influencing employees' decision for them to stay or they want to leave. There are several developments that have made talent retention even more challenging. First, the level of industry competition today is very high. Companies are competing to attract and retain the best talent, and this puts pressure on employers to offer more appealing work environment and benefits. Secondly, globalization has increased employee mobility. Employees are now exposed to international job opportunities and may decide to leave if they find better prospects abroad. Thirdly, the post-COVID-19 employment shift has led to a greater demand for remote or hybrid work. This has changed traditional employment structure and made it harder for some companies to keep their staff. Lastly, generational changes have played a role. Younger employees such as those from Gen Z and millennials tend to value flexibility, meaningful work and personal well-being more than long tenure. These changes require companies to adapt their strategies in order to stay competitive. Now, let's reconsider how talent retention looks from both organization perspective and the employee's perspective. From the organization point of view, high employee turnover can lead to a high recruitment and training costs. Companies also struggle to adjust their traditional structure to meet the changing expectation of the workforce. From the employee's perspective, people are looking for opportunities to grow their careers, to have a healthy work-life balance, and to feel recognized and supported. Many employees, especially from younger generations, are not emotionally attached to their employers and are willing to leave if their needs are not met. They value purpose and the flexibility over job stability and tenure. The study identified 5 main factors that contribute to the issue of talent retention. The first factor is career growth. When employees do not see a clear path for advancement, they are more likely to leave. The second factor is workplace well-being. This includes mental health, stress levels, and the overall working environment. The third factor is industry competition. Competing organizations may offer better incentives, making it harder to retain staff. The fourth factor is globalization, which creates more opportunities for employees to work elsewhere, including overseas. The fifth factor is a new employment landscape, where employees now expect more flexibility, remote work option, and modern working environment. The failure to retain talent has several negative impacts on organization. Firstly, there is a financial cost. Recruiting, training and onboarding new employees require both time and money. Secondly, there is a loss of knowledge. When experienced employees leave, they take valuable skills and institutional knowledge with them. Thirdly, employee morale often decreases when their colleagues leave frequently. Fourth, productivity may drop as the team are constantly adjusting to new members. And lastly, the employer brand may be damaged, making it harder to attract new talent in the future. If talent retention issues are not addressed, they can lead to a serious consequences. There may be a stagnation in innovation because in the company loses the people who are most capable of improving processes and generating new ideas. We may also see an increase in turnover rates, which create instability and affect the performance of the team. In addition, the company's reputation may suffer. This can affect how both potential employees and stakeholders view the organization. Finally, there may be a strategic failure. If skilled staff are constantly leaving, the company may struggle to achieve its long-term goals and maintain a competitive advantage. Now, let's look at some practical solutions to the problem of talent retention. Firstly, companies should develop a clear career growth path. This includes structured advancement program, mentoring, and skill development opportunities. Secondly, they need to improve a workplace well-being. This means supporting mental health, offering flexible work schedule, and creating a positive and respectful work culture. Thirdly, companies should adapt non-monetary incentives. This can include employee recognition programs, giving employees more autonomy, promoting work-life balance, and assigning meaningful projects. Fourth, employees should embrace flexibility. Providing remote or hybrid work models can help meet employee preferences. Fifth, companies should tailor their strategies to generational needs. Different generations are motivated by different things. So, it is important to understand what drives engagement for Gen Z, Millennial, and Gen X. Lastly, organizations must proactively develop strategies using data. This means listening to the employee feedback and benchmarking against industry standards to create effective retention strategies. In conclusion, talent retention is not just about responsibility of the human resource department. It is a strategic priority for the entire organization. Companies must learn to adapt to the changing expectation of the modern workforce. By focusing on career development, employee well-being, and flexible work options, businesses can increase employee commitment and loyalty. These efforts will help maintain a strong, stable workforce and secure a long-term competitive advantage in the market. Before I end this presentation, I want everyone to think and reflect. Is your organization investing as much efforts in keeping great talent as it is? Second, what will happen to your organization growth if your top performers walk out tomorrow? Third, how can we shift from filling position into building the careers? Thank you for your time and attention. This presentation is supported by research of Mazlan and Jabulingam in 2023, published in the Journal of Business Management Review. Bye-bye. Thank you.